guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for another CVS deals video. This is a brand new ad and we have some good deals going on. If you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go find some deals. The first deal I have will be on Crest toothpaste. They on sale for 2 for $7.98 and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2, use 4 off 2 Crest digital coupon and you pay $3.98, get 3 back, making them 98 cents or 49 cents each. My next deal is buy any biotin and you get $3 back. Pick up the 8-ounce biotin mouthwash priced at $5.79, pay the $5.79 and get 3 back, making it just $2.79. The next deal I have will be on select General Mills cereal. They on sale for 2 for $5, no extra care box back. Pick up 2 multi-grain Cheerios cereal on sale for 2 for $5. Use $1 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $4. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back for buying 2, making them $3 or $1.50 each. The next deal I have is on Russell Stover or Whitman samplers. They are on sale for $7.99 and when you buy 1, you get $2 back. Pick up 1, pay the $7.99 and get 2 back, making it just $5.99. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 5 back on any Neutrogena makeup remover towelette. Pick up 2 wipes priced at $7.79 each. Both will total $15.58. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $11.58. Get 5 back, making them $6.58 or $3.29 each. I have another Neutrogena deal and that's spend 15 get 7 back on Neutrogena acne. Pick up 1 Neutrogena on the spot treatment priced at $11.59. My store is out of the bar soap, but if you have it, pick up 1 is priced at $4.69. The 2 will total $16.28. Use a $3.50 off digital coupon and you pay $12.78, get 7 back, making them $5.78 or $2.89 each. You can combine these 2 Neutrogena deal and submit to activate reward, and this will be your breakdown. The 4 items will total $31.86. After the coupons are applied, you will pay $24.36, get $5 back for buying 2 of the wipes and $7 back for spending $15. Then submit your receipt to activate reward for $10 back when you spend $30, and that will make all 4 items just $2.36 or 59 cents each. If you have any Neutrogena CRT, you can use it with this deal and make it cheaper. Neutrogena Cosmetics is on the deal of spend 12 get $6 back. It's a little bit better than last week. Pick up the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Lip Shine priced at $11.99 and that's within the 98% rule for spend 12. And make sure your store follows the 98% rule, that way you get your extra care box. Use a $3 off digital coupon and you pay $8.99, get 6 back, making it $2.99. The 10-ounce Vaseline lotion is part of buy 2 get $3 back. Pick up 2 priced at $5.59 each. Both will total $11.18. Pay the $11.18 and you get 3 back, and that will make both lotions just $8.18 or $4.09 each. Nivea lotion is on the deal of buy 2 get $7 back. Pick up 2 16.9-ounce Nivea lotion priced at $10.29 each. Both will total $20.58. Use the $2 off Nivea digital coupon and you pay $18.58, get 7 back, making them $11.58 or $5.79 each. The 17.5 to 18.5 ounce Dove Premium Body Wash is on sale for $9.99 and part of buy 2 get $4 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $19.98. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $15.98, get 4 back, making them $11.98 or $5.99 each. Gillette and Venus disposable razors are on sale for $6.99 and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 1 Gillette disposable razor and 1 Venus disposable razor. These 2 will total $13.98. Use a $3 off Gillette or Venus digital coupon and you pay $10.98, get 4 back, making them $6.98 or $3.49 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $5 back on any Nivea body wash, and I have 2 options for this deal. The first option is to pick up 2 men Nivea body wash priced at $5.99. Both will total $11.98. Pay the $11.98 and get 5 back, making them $6.98 or $3.49 each. The second option is to pick up 2 Nivea Women Body Wash priced at $6.99 each. Both will total $13.98. Pay the $13.98 and get 5 back, making them $8.98 or $4.49 each. The next deal is buy 2 get $4 back on Method Body Wash or the hand wash. Pick up 2 Method hand wash priced at $5.19 each. Both will total $10.38. Pay the $10.38 and get 4 back, making them $6.38 or $3.19 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $4 back on any Clairol hair color. Pick up 2 Clairol textures and tones priced at $8.49 each. Both will total $16.98. Use the 6 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $10.98, get 4 back, making them $6.98 or $3.49 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 4 back on any L'Oreal Elvive shampoo or conditioner. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner priced at $6.29 each. Both will total $12.58. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $9.58, get 4 back, making them $5.58 or $2.79 each. If you like the OGX hair care, they are on sale for $6.99, no extra care box back. Pick up 2 at $6.99 each. Both will total $13.98. Use the 6 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $7.98, and that will make each one just $3.99. Ajax dish soap is on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off and part of buy 2 get $3 back. Pick up 2, they are priced at $4.19, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $2.10. These two will total $6.29. Pay the $6.29 and get 3 back, making them $3.29 or $1.65 each. The 30-ounce all-free and clear detergent is on sale for $4.99 and part of buy 2 get $3 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $9.98. Pay the $9.98 and get 3 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for 75 cents back, limit of 1, and that will make both just $5.23 or $2.62 each. My next deal is spend $30 get $10 back, and I have 2 options for this deal. Remember, this deal is a limit of 1 per card. The first option is to pick up 1 Tide Pod on sale for $5.49 and 2 Tide detergents on sale for $12.99 each. These 3 items will total $31.47. Use 2 $3 off Tide coupon, 1 digital and 1 from Coupon 24 app. And for the Tide Pod, we have a $1 digital coupon. The 3 coupons will take off $7 and you pay $24.47. That will make all 3 items $14.47 or $4.82 each. The second option is to pick up 1 60-count Bounce Mega Sheets on sale for $6.99, 1 Downy Fabric Softener on sale for $6.99, 1 Downy Rinse and Refresh on sale for $6.99, and 2 Tide Pods on sale for $5.49 each. These 5 items will total $31.95. Use 2 $1 off Tide coupon, 1 digital and 1 from Coupon 24 app, and a $1 off Bounce coupon from Coupon 24 app, a $1 off Downy coupon from Coupon 24 app, and $3.50 off Downy Rinse and Refresh coupon from Coupon 24 app. The 5 coupons will take off $7.50 and you will pay $24.45, get 10 back, making them $14.45 or $2.88 each. The next item I have is the family size Oreo cookies. They are on sale for $3.99, no extra care box back. Pick up 1. Pay $3.99, then submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents back, limit of 2. That will end up making it just $3.49. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.